Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Darren Brown with Darmac Builders, coming to you on a somewhat gloomy Thursday. The lightning is in the background. Well, I would say the thunder is. Lightning hasn't really came in yet. And I'm just going over the job today. We got the roof in, but we're stripping the scaffolding down. And as you can see, the enormity of this building, this house, the mansion, that place. Well, that scaffold is coming down tomorrow. Everything in the back is kind of taken down. This is what we're doing. We're custom home builders, luxury home builders, you name it. And the pool is not even in yet. So we're ahead of schedule. The roof is in. Now we just got to fine tune the roof with, they got to come in and grout it. Then we're going to form it up and pour the 3-inch, 2-inch, whatever we got to do to get the slope, the pitch for the roof drains. So we got to schedule the plumber to come in to put in his locations for the roof drains, core it out, and then we're on our way. So that's pretty much the last major pour we're going to have here with regards to this house, and that's the roof. So I'm gonna try to take you guys up there so you can see everything and get some kind of idea of what I'm talking about. But here you can see how enormous this is in the back, and yes, this is open. Got two things going on here. Got that beam up there, how straight it is, clean. Okay, no deflection, none of that. Okay, kept it up there longer than we supposed to. Got the concrete breaks that we were scheduled to get. You got 7-day breaks, 14-day breaks, 21-day breaks, and so forth. So we went through all that. That's the other part of the house right there on the other side. You see all this standalone columns and beams. That's what we do, man. So one of this here, as you can see, this column right there, okay, that's open. That's gonna be part of a patio. But then let me get here. You can't really see it that much, but okay, you got a steel column right there. That's part of the house. And so that's gonna be all glass going all the way up. So as you are in this area here, you're gonna outlook and see your patio, your pool, whatever you wanna see. Do whatever things you do. Nobody's gonna really do, because you don't have really no neighbors in the back. And that's gonna be all glass, all the way up. Okay. Just kind of give you guys an idea of what we're doing here. And then that's the roof right there. That's the concrete roof underneath. Of course, we're gonna have to, when they frame it down, they're gonna frame it down so you can get the soffits, the AC and all like that. But that's the concrete roof in a nutshell. And then this is the last part of the scaffold that we gotta take down. And I'm getting ready for it to get picked up tomorrow, because this is money that I'm trying to get off the books, because I don't want to keep it here because you rent this stuff. So I want to get that off tomorrow, but keep some, but probably get like 70-80% off the books. And I just stepped in the house here. I'm in the kitchen area. Haven't been formed up yet, but this is pretty much the kitchen area. So in the kitchen area, you're going to be able to turn around and look out. You ain't gonna be seeing the scaffolding and stuff there. You're not gonna see that, but you're gonna see all this glass here. It's gonna be glass here. Turn to my left, it's gonna be glass here. So it's almost like a L shape where you're gonna have glass. Actually, it's glass here and glass here. Okay, and glass there. So a lot of light is gonna come in. So I know I'm gonna get invited to the cookouts. Better. All right, so, and then you got the balcony up there. What you don't see right now is what I can't wait to see is when we start taking the front down. So when we're taking the front down, that's gonna, I'm gonna walk around to the front. And everything you see, Darmac Builders built. So just so in case that is a question. Which it shouldn't be a question, but it is. We built it. We did it. That's the lightning I felt. Okay, so the front part here is what we're going to try to probably start taking down, if not tomorrow, but next week. All this scaffolding is coming down. It's going to be pretty much the same as the back. It's going to a lot of glass windows, whatever you guys want to call it, glaze, whatever term you want to use. It's going to be here in the front. Special made windows and doors that they got going on here. I don't want to tell you what that is, but you only can imagine. Okay, you got the 6-car garage going on. And you got 6 cars. Oh God, I got more, but what am I to say? All right, so that's what we got going on here. So it's going to be very nice once we got, and you really don't see it. There's going to be a water feature over here that we're going to build against this wall here. So once we get this scaffolding down, there's going to be a water feature right over here in this area that we're going to be doing. Okay. So, hey, I don't care what you're building. You're building a custom home, whether it's 2,000, 10,000, 20,000 square feet. If that's what you want, that's in your budget, we can do it. We're not doing this as practice. This is what we do. I don't care if you build your budget, whatever your budget is. If it's in the millions, we can build it. It's not a big deal. We're not afraid of numbers. Somebody got to build it. I did that one across the street too, by the way. Just guess I'd throw that in there. No, we're not. You know, we're not scared of no ghosts here. We can do whatever you deem necessary. Now, I would get on the roof right now, but I'm not going to do that because the lightning is happening, and I'm not trying to get close to the lightning. So I may give you guys that tour tomorrow. Probably better tomorrow anyways, because you didn't get to see them put the grout and everything in. Let me see and walk around here. Okay. There's gonna be a sliding glass door here. One thing is important too, which I'm a very stickler of, is when we're doing houses, no matter what house, is getting the window and door openings, getting that down perfectly. Because the last thing I want is when they get ready to install, they saying, oh, it's too small, whatever, and then now you chip in and cutting and whatever. So when you're building a house, make sure you get the masonry openings from whoever is going to be doing the windows and doors, because you don't want to guess. Even if it shows it on the plan, you still want to get with the person who they're getting the window and doors from and get that measurement. So if that measurement is, you know, 48 by 48, which is 4 feet by 4 feet, then you know that's what it is. So that's how you form out your window and your doors. You don't guess. And if for your protection and for your sanity, have them draw it on a plan. So you make a copy of the floor plan and you label each window, and you have that person who is going to have the windows to mark it on there. So in the event something happens, oh, this opening is incorrect, you can go back to that floor plan and say, well, this is what you told me. Okay? It's just cover your ass. That's what I'm getting at. Okay? And you learn that through experience. That's what I kind of like learned through experience. All right, so of course I'm not gonna get on top of the roof, but I'm gonna go on the second floor right now. Got some cleaning up to do, some more cleaning up. Actually, I'm going through right here, which is actually going to be a window. Got the construction stairs here, which I'm going up. It's getting kind of darker here because we got the concrete roof on. So I'm on the second floor now, and as you can see, it's not framed out, obviously, but you see the columns here supporting the roof we installed. You see the angle bracket up there we installed for these panels. Actually, I'm in the master bedroom area. So imagine I'm in the master bedroom area, and that big opening is going to be a sliding glass door. Then I can walk on my covered patio, so to speak. Boom, plop it down. Right? Covered patio right here. with my cup of coffee, orange juice, in my boxers, because nobody's gonna see me, and just chill, right? There's nothing behind here at all. All that would be mine. And then you got your pool area there. So all this area here is essentially a patio. So technically I can walk on this side. I'm walking on a covered patio. Walking on a covered patio. Still on a covered patio. And it's kind of raining right now, but I'm not getting wet, right? So walking on a covered patio, still on a covered patio, still kind of boom. And then I can look down over there. It's gonna all gonna be glass right there. It's gonna be glass. It's gonna be glass. It's gonna be glass. There, 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 all of that there, and on the other side. That's what's happening. That's what's up. And I come back around, and this is here is gonna be a sliding glass door. Walking out on the patio, chilling. We already got our drains in for our patio drain, so if it rains, directional rain comes, you don't have a wet patio. You just come out here and just chill out, do what you want to do, enjoy yourself, do what grown folks do, I guess. And also we got the railing here, as you see. I'm a stickler with that. We got our safety railing on here. This is not for somebody to lean against. It is a deterrent where any openings that we have, we're not trying to get you to fall off. So when you're doing a project, I'm a stickler of that, to have it, make sure we have safety here. So we have, you see the railings right there. So it's not for me to lean on this and chill or whatever. But if you see this up here, that means that, hey, don't get too close to the railing. Stay away from the railing, okay? And we take them down from time to time if we have to clean up or whatever. But the guys know that, hey, once we leave the day, boom, put it up, because sometimes, you know, you get curious people to come on with it, you know, whether they're neighbors or they're owners or whatever, and we don't want anybody to make an accident. And as you can see, it's raining right now, and I'm not getting wet, so that's a sign. I'm good. Now the reason why you see water on the ground inside is because we didn't have a roof before, and the rain was just coming inside. So now we don't have that, and now the roof is not sealed yet, so I'm pretty cool with that as well, as far as what's going on. See, we got railings over there, railings over there. We got railings right here on this particular walkway. So this walkway is gonna be cool because we're gonna have glass. I don't know if you can imagine. I'm inside the house, so where I'm facing is gonna be glass. I'm gonna be looking outside. Glass gonna be going all the way up. It's gonna be beautiful at night. I can just imagine. I'm gonna have glass over this side. I'm gonna have glass on this side looking outside. I mean, if you're walking around the house in your birthday suit, you just gotta be careful, because there's gonna be a lot of windows out here. A lot of windows. So I got railing over here as well. That's what we do. Okay, gotta keep the guys safe. All right, and then it is what it is. So I hope you guys are enjoying this house. If you go back to some of the videos from ground zero, where we started from the dirt, that's what we do. We didn't just come in at, you know, when the second floor was done, or we come in when the frame went. The first shovel was done by us, Darmac Builders. The first shovel was done by us. All the structural work done by us. So any issues that we may have had, whether it was with the architect or the engineer, you know, my team and I, we got it done. We worked with them hand in hand if there's any issues, because like I said, you know, we pretty much build one-of-a-kind houses when it comes onto that. So there may be some things that it's not quite clear. It doesn't mean that anybody is wrong or somebody's right. When you have not built the structure before, you are going to come across things that you're going to need to discuss. There's a lot of scaffolding out there, man. That's thousands and dollars down there, man. You see all that wood I got to keep? I don't want to tell anybody what it would, because if I do, wood may be gone on somebody else's job. Yeah, people steal. Let me use that for somewhere else. So I'd like you guys to share my videos, Make sure you talk to people about who we are. We've been in business for going on 20 years in December. We know what we're doing. This particular monster of a house that we're doing is it's the second one. The one I did across the street was a big renovation. That was years ago. But I did another house on the same street here. Not by coincidence, this happened to be this house I'm building on the same street. It's in no relation at all. And we did that probably like 10 years ago, maybe 12. So we have experience in it. We know what we're doing. So let me see what else. All right, from this here, okay, I think this is the whole master. Where's this back? Yeah, I'm on the whole master side. I really believe this is whole, because that's a shower area there. Shower over there, I think. Yeah, look at it, this whole side. And then you got a balcony here. And over there it's a standalone garage by itself. Okay, let me see what else I can tell you guys. But yeah, if you're gonna build something, just make sure you get the right team, the right contractor, the right architect. You know, it's a lot of things come before the contractor comes involved. Like we do design build, where we can take you from from concept to completion. Whether it's our design team, whether it's interior designer, whatever, depending on what you're looking for, we can do that. All right. If you're building a big house like this, it's going to require an interior designer. You may be limited on what you want. You have an idea what you want, but you want to get with somebody who does it for a living, to put your color pattern together, your scheme, how you're going to lay out your kitchen from countertops and all that. We can help you with that as well. So it all depends on what you want, what services you want. If you say, hey, I can do it myself in terms of I know what color I want, I know what tile I want, I know how I want my kitchen, great, not a problem. So I'm just gonna chill right here for a little moment, then I'm gonna exit in a little bit. So I may go on my Instagram channel as well. I think it's Darmac 2001. I'm probably going there and talk about the same thing. So if you're not listening here, I'm gonna go and say pretty much the same thing. But guys, tune in to my videos, support the YouTube channel. Let's get this construction channel going on with good information, whether it's finance, how to build a house, how to finance it, all that. When it comes on to insurance, that's the channel to go to. So till then, peace out.